Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Before I start the video, I'd like to thank FNTCASE for sponsoring the video and sending me this product. So this is the FNT case for the iPhone 15. So you got like a nice B logo here, as you can see, like half a B. And yeah, it's got a black case and it's quite nice actually. See what the side says. That's the contact info. And there you go. FNTCASE has been specializing in producing high quality cases for 20 years. Right. It's not bad, is it, guys? Let's have a look inside. Not sure which case they sent, so let's have a look. Oh, feels very thick, like strong. Maybe it's one of the very strong cases that they do. Let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, I like it. You got the FNT case. That's the business card. Scan with the shopping up. Oh, it shows you how to install it. I think this is a wipe, isn't it? Yeah, they give you a free wipe, which is nice of them. Oh, they give you a screen protector as well. I think they have. Let's have a look. Here you go. Yeah, so they give you a free screen protector. That's what the wipe is for. And I guess you can use this card as a, like that, you know. Yeah, that's a tempered glass. I can feel that's very strong. It's not one of them flimsy ones, you know. Very strong. That's really nice of them. And then you got the camera cutouts for your camera on the back here. Oh, I like this case. So I actually went to the Apple store the other day looking for the iPhone 15, but it's sold out everywhere. So yeah, wow, look at that. So that covers your camera and protects it. It's pretty nice, isn't it? I like it, guys, I like it. Okay, so this is the case itself. I am going to take that screen protector off on the back because I don't like screen protectors. So let's see it all in the beauty waiver. Please peel off the film. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, you take from the top. Wow, I like the glass back. Come on. Wow. There you go. Beautiful ones. That is actually a nice case, I'm not gonna lie, because it's see-through, so you can still get your colors going through the phone case. So that's something I would have liked on my phone right now, because my phone is a bronze color and it looks beautiful. Right now it's just a matte color with the case on, so having a see-through one that's high quality like this is nice. And you got the, oh, that feels nice. It's quite soft actually. I like it. So yeah, your camera cutout thing will go here. Obviously your camera will be behind it, so that'll just be stuck on from the back. I'm guessing it's like a 3M. Be sticky a bit, which is good, so it won't move about. Okay. And I like the color tone because it's like a dark black on the edges. And yeah, the buttons are very soft. Already here inside. Okay. So yeah, the buttons are very soft, as you can see, which is good on a case because hard ones they'll start hurting your fingers after a while if you keep pressing them like that. So your cutouts for the charger, the speaker, everything else. There's your power button lock thing. Yeah, it's pretty nice case, pretty durable, pretty decent, guys. That will protect your phone. It won't be as strong as the extreme ones that they do like a proper one, where proper thick one. So this is just a normal case which will provide protection, which is good. But if you want the real protection, go for the even more better one that they do, which is it's like a rugged one. It's really nice, and I think that has a kickstand as well, so go check that out as well. So yeah, this one is beautiful, I like it. This one is if you want to keep your color of your phone showing, because I know our iPhone does different colors, like fancy ones. If you have the titanium, you can show that. They do the red as well, iPhone red. So yeah, thank you for sending this out to me. I appreciate it, guys. I'll leave a link to in the description to the product. Go check it out for yourself. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.